One of the keys to having a successful product launch is to have a lot of JV partners and affiliates promoting your offer. Okay, the more affiliates you have, the more money you'll make, as a rule of thumb. So to make your offer attractive, you'd want to offer high commissions. Okay, so let me just give you an example here. This is the current trend. A lot of people are doing. A lot of people are offering 100% commissions on the front end for a low front end price of say between $7 to $9.97. So that this is something that I actually do. This is what I did for my last launch actually. And then you'd want to have an upsell in the $47 to $97 range. Of course, this is just an example. I don't know what your product is. You could have a higher price range, but I'm just giving an example here. So you could have an upsell in the $47 to $97 range, and then have a downsell in the $27 to $37 range. Okay, if your upsell is lower than $47, your offer may not look as attractive or profitable to potential affiliates. Okay, but like I said, I don't know what you're selling or what you plan to sell. You could have an upsell that's in the $200 range or $500 range. But I'm just, as a general rule of thumb, at least it should be around $47, and then you can offer 50% commission in the upsells and downsells. You'd also want to offer prizes, and most affiliates do prefer cash prizes, and that's what a lot of affiliate contests or JV contests award is cash prizes. So, take a look around at other JV contests, and you could get ideas of how much money you're willing to reward to the top affiliates. Okay, and if you offer big cash prizes, you can also set minimums so that you don't get burned. So, for example, if you plan to offer $500 to the top affiliates, you can make it a requirement that the top affiliate has to get a minimum of say 150 front end sales. Okay, because then from there you could probably calculate. Well, look, he's gonna, with 150 front end sales at 100% commission, that affiliate will probably bring in around say 20% upsells. 20%. I mean, 20% of the people that purchase the front end will buy uh, the upsell, and then from there you could calculate how much money or how much profit you're going to get from those leads. Okay, so basically, the profits you're getting, you're just using to pay out to the top affiliates. You must also have a JV page. A JV page is a page that has the details of your offer and how much money the potential affiliates can make. And you'd also want to have an opt-in form on there so you could build your list of affiliates. And again, what you could do is take a look at other JV pages and get ideas and possibly copy the format and style and what they say on there. Okay, you can also use JV page tools like Affiliate Builder by Omar Martin. You could just do a Google search for that. That's a WordPress plugin that you would install, and it creates nice looking JV pages that includes opt-in forms and all the. It basically makes building JV pages a lot easier, and it also has a function where it could just insert the affiliate links throughout all the email swipes and the banner ads and all the other affiliate tools. You'd also want to post your upcoming launch on product launch announcement websites such as muncheye.com. Okay, this is where I've listed mine in the past. Give it preferably 4 weeks in advance. You want to list it on there so people could prepare. You put it on their schedule, and so they could be aware that you have a product launch coming. You could also post on other JV network sites and product launch announcement sites such as jvnotifypro.com, jvfocus.com, etc. And you could also post on Facebook groups that are focused on product launch announcements. So you could just do a search for those groups. You can also contact marketers with whom you've worked with in the past. For example, you may have promoted their products in the past, you may have done an ad swap or bought a solo ad from them, or did some other type of work with them in the past, or you might have bought a service from them, or they may have bought something from you. Okay. Now, keep in mind that some marketers do like to be notified at least 4 weeks in advance. You can also contact marketers who are in the same industry as you. For example, weight loss, video marketing, etc. So you can contact other product creators who have created similar product as yours. You can also contact affiliates who have appeared in the affiliate leaderboards of product launches. So as you can see, there is a lot of work involved when it comes to recruiting potential JV partners and affiliates. And depending on your ambition and depending on how badly you want your product launch to be a success, you may have to spend at least a month um, contacting and trying to recruit JV partners and affiliates.